Hotep, 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 hotep,
Hey everybody, this is Barry and the Hotep Kennels. We are with second video of the same day. We had just did the 1 week pup update of the litter of 13 with Cashmere and Ra. Now we're about to do the 3 week the 3 week update with Sheba and Little Man's litter. They're huge right now. So we're gonna go ahead and get them started and see what we're working with. Lego! I knew he was gonna grab her first.
Yes.
Okay. This is Princess. Oh, God. Oh, you fat. This is Princess Leia. Yeah, that's what we named her. And this big beauty is coming in at 6 pounds and 4 ounces.
Wow.
You want to write that down? This has to gain 2 pounds in a week.
Yeah, buddy.
6 pounds and 4 ounces. And yes, she is available. Oh my gosh, she is huge.
This is Little Man.
And Sheba. She is huge. I know, baby girl. I got you.
This is 3 weeks.
Yeah, 3 weeks.
One. Oh.
Princess Leia. 6 pounds and 4 ounces. Okay, boo. Okay. Ah, y'all did pee.
Yeah, buddy. Alright.
Okay, Princess Leia. Ah. Oh boy. And this is Hans Solo. He's a male, and he's available as well. Abina.
Hey, girl. Hey, girl.
This boy is 7 pounds even.
Wow.
He is 7 pounds at 3 weeks.
Woo-wee. I know people that get the pups in the hood 7 pounds at 8 months. I mean, it's 8 weeks.
3 weeks. Look, 7 pounds even.
You ain't showing it, so ain't who gonna believe it.
7 pounds. Holy crap, holy. And he's available as well. This is Han Solo.
Get that boy right there.
He's a cutie.
Now that's a keeper.
Yeah, he is.
I can't keep no more.
Yeah, we don't have more room for males right now.
A whole litter's a keeper, man. A whole litter.
Okay.
Straight bullet.
And this right here is Makeda.
Yeah.
I call it KK for short.
I don't even know how to spell it.
Something like that. What are you doing here?
Go. Go. Go.
Go back in the room, Cash.
Go back. Go.
So this is Makeda. I call her KK for short. This is our female keeper. And she is coming in at 6 pounds and 14 ounces. I hope y'all can see that. I don't know how Barry was doing it. Am I doing this right? Because I can't tell the way you got this camera set up.
Hold it far enough to be able to see.
6 pounds, 14 ounces. She looked like her mama, the coat color. And this is Makeda, KK for short.
6 pounds.
14 ounces.
14 ounces.
Woo! So this is the litter of Sheba. Little girl, what are you doing?
I'm out.
Okay.
Get back.
Come here, stop squirming. I'm about to change your name to Issy Fit.
Alright.
Huh?
Oh,
shoot, I forgot we supposed to be deworming them at the same time. Dang it. Alright. You want to grab them?
Yeah. Give me a second to look at them. It's also supposed to be weaning time.
Yeah.
Shavings added and everything.
Ooh. And since they 6 pounds, I'm gonna go ahead and do 1 milliliter of dewormer.
Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need.
I need you to open the mouth so I can deworm her. Come on, big girl. Good girl.
Yeah.
That's Princess Leia.
They walking and stuff. These are some bulls right here, man.
Oh, fat chubby booty.
Can't tell me.
I'm gonna tell you not to drop my baby.
I was trying to get her stand up.
She ain't about that life right now.
Okay, well. That's cool.
She's nervous.
What's up, big boy?
Han Solo.
So 7 pound sale. So 7 pound sale.
7 pounds. Come on, open. And he is available for sale.
Yep. Little man's son. Like Big Pun. Big Pun's half brother.
It's crazy how you got the same dad with different moms and
Yeah,
the same,
different. Yeah.
and you see how the different that comes about. Because Sheba is Cashmere's
Right.
daughter.
And she's also Ogun's daughter. So.
And also Ogun's daughter. So I think the weight's probably coming from Ogun's side.
Yeah, because it's only 25% cashmere.
Yeah.
50% little man and 25 Ogun, so.
This is busy out there today.
Big weight pull dogs, Grand Champion weight pull dogs is dominating the pedigree.
And this is Makeda.
Oh, she already stood up on her own. Go ahead, girl. I see you with your confidence. Go ahead. Show them what you're working with. Show them what you're working with. Yes, sir.
Come on, mama. Uh-oh, you stubborn.
Tell me I can't make some bulls, man.
She's a little feisty one. I saw her yesterday in there trying to grab Han Solo's tail. I think she's gonna be the leader of the litter. The alpha of the litter. Come on. Alright, so this is a quick look of the 3 of them. Like I said, Princess Leia and Han Solo are available. You can reach out to Barry at 813-331-7258. Or you can leave a comment in the question box. I mean, oh my gosh. A question in the comment box or whatever. And let us know what you think of them. And if you're interested in purchasing a pup, just let us know. We also about to do the add shavings to the open box today. They at that stage, and we're gonna try to get mommy out of the boxes as much as often and start winging them for mommy. Winging. Weaning. Weaning. Weaning them. Weaning them from the mom. Little girl, where you going? It's big old scale. You still trying to find your way off? Sheesh. Alright, so quick pup look at. This is Makeda. I keep her. And y'all seen the other 2. And I guess we're gonna do the shavings and everything.
Yeah, we'll wean them and see if they want to eat some. While we're doing that, shave them.
Okay. We'll be back.
Figure right here to give you an update. Well, Mina. Mina gained 2 pounds because she is now 10 pounds and 10 ounces. Stay still. Here we go. Stand like this. Bam. You can stand like that. Bam. Put this foot here. Bam. Right there. Boom. See that? Boom. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. You see that there? We're going to back this up. Right? Back this up. Hold on now. Hold on now. Hold on now. I'm going to pause for the frame. Hold on. I'm going to put that there. Right? Bam. Put that there. There you go. There you go, Mom. Wait. Turn forward. There you go. There you go. That's what we're gonna do. Huh? The weaning process? Oh, I can. All right, so she's over 10 pounds, so there you have it, folks. Let's see if I can get her to stand up here. Let me put her right here. Bam. Bam. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Just throw that in the mix real quick. A little special treat.